with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and easy chicken buffalo dip that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing chicken dip, very few ingredients. The Mexican blend cheese, look at this. The ranch dressing, the buffalo red hot original, and 2 bars of cream cheese. Of course, we are going to need our rotisserie chicken. Any brand is fine. I am filming my daughter because she's the one making this amazing chicken buffalo creamy dip that I know you guys are really going to love. Let me tell you, this is the part that takes much longer to prepare, is pulling and shredding one whole chicken. Look at this. You want to make sure that all the pieces, the shredded pieces, are almost the same size. Remember to remove all the bones. Be careful with that. Removing all the meat from the bone and shredding it. You decide how big you want to shred it, but let me tell you, the smaller and the chunkier they are, the better. So when you dip your chip inside, you get a little bit of everything. But let me have her continue shredding this amazing rotisserie chicken. And here we are ready, measuring 1 cup at a time of the red hot buffalo sauce. I am using 2 cups in total. It's not spicy, but it gives it such a delicious and amazing flavor. I am going to continue with 1 cup of the ranch dressing. Hidden Valley, that's the one I really love. I'm adding only 1 cup, and then I am going to incorporate, making sure that all the chicken gets covered with the sauce and the ranch. This part is very important. You want to make sure that you add everything in here. We are not going to add any salt or any black pepper or garlic, just few ingredients. Make sure that the cream cheese, you take it out of your refrigerator at least 2 hours before making this amazing dip. We took it out of the refrigerator 1 hour, and as you could see, it's still a little hard to incorporate, but believe me, this is going to come out so creamy and delicious. Just incorporate it as best as you can and take your cream cheese out 2 hours before you make this amazing dip. Once the dip is already well incorporated, while you added all the cream cheese and everything is nice and incorporated, you don't see blogs of the cream cheese, then you are ready to add the Mexican blend cheese. Of course, be very generous with your cheese. Make sure that everything is well incorporated. You want to make sure that the cream cheese really is incorporated with all these amazing ingredients. The red buffalo sauce with the ranch dressing, and of course with the cream cheese. Once everything is incorporated really good, then we're going to add 1/2 cup of the Mexican blend cheese. Once you add the 1/2 cup, you're going to incorporate it really good. At this time, you want to make sure that you preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. You want to preheat your oven before you add this amazing dip inside. So we're going to put it 350 for half an hour. We're going to put it for 15 minutes, and then we come back. We take it out. Remember, it's nice and hot and you preheated your oven. And now we're just going to make sure that everything is incorporated one more time. I'm going to go ahead and just mix it a little bit, making sure that the cream cheese is well incorporated. And once this is done, I am ready to add 1 whole cup right on the top of the Mexican blend cheese. Look at this. It's already so creamy. But the best part is the cheese right on the top, because once you pull it out, it's going to be so crispy and it's going to melt so amazing. The aroma of this dip is just delicious. Look at this. When family's coming over the weekend and you want to enjoy them with a delicious dip, well, this is the best one. Few ingredients. After half an hour, look at this. Look how amazing this looks. Of course, the top, everybody fights for the top because it's really crispy. All this cheese we added, oh my gosh, just amazing. Your mouth is watering. Like, subscribe, and share, and make this amazing dip at home. Look how amazing it looks. It's really creamy. It's nice and crispy. The cheese got so melted and crispy from the top. And now I am ready to prepare the plate for the presentation. I don't even know from where I should start. I just know that I should get a lot of that cheese on the top. Well, I'm going to start putting it in the plate of the presentation. If your mouth is watering, let me tell you, mine is too. I can't wait to dig in. My family is in the background waiting to enjoy this amazing chicken buffalo dip that I know you guys are really going to love. Well, I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to dig in. Look how it looks. The cheese right on the top, really creamy, really delicious, and I'll see you in a bit. This is a delicious chicken buffalo dip that I know you guys are going to love. But this is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing chicken and buffalo creamy dip, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. See you soon. Bye-bye.